Hey, how's it going, guys? Ben Barreto here with Keller Williams Realty, and I just wanted to let you know about this beautiful home here going for $355,000. I'm going to be holding an open house this Sunday from 2 to 4. The address is 510 Westbrook, 37919 off between Westland and Gallagher View. It's a beautiful little subdivision. This is a beautiful home, 5 bedrooms, 3 baths, and you need to come check it out, all right? This Sunday, 2 to 4, 510 Westbrook Road. All right, come check it out. Talk to you later. Hey, and as a bonus, as I was leaving the house, I realized there was this, let me focus on myself. There was this pool here. So a rock's throw from the house is this great pool. Gets up to 8.5 feet deep. They got a place to grill. They got toys for the kids. Noodles, pool, and stuff like that. So, hey, this is a great little place to live with a 5-bedroom house. Come see me Sunday. Talk to you guys later.